Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Students struggling to understand complex topics? Meet your new AI study partner, a 100% free platform designed for students and teachers. Just upload a PDF or share a YouTube video link and instantly get a customized study guide, quizzes, video lectures, and even a virtual teacher chat to help break down concepts. So let's explore. So this platform is called ChatEDU. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So let's get started. You can sign in with Google account, complete your profile. So you have to upload a PDF you want to study for, or you can also add a YouTube video. So I'm uploading one PDF. So I uploaded one PDF. Now AI is extracting content. So I uploaded one document related to photosynthesis. So you can create study guide or you can generate practice questions. Let me try to create study guide. Just click here. So you can see on my screen, this is my document which I uploaded. Now AI is preparing my study guide. On the right side, you can see here. Wow, my study guide is ready. It is more organized than my original document, including the notes, highlighted the main points, make it more easier to understand. So I can chat with the virtual teacher about it. For example, so I wrote create 5 most important points covered in this document. Let's see how my virtual teacher respond. Here are 5 more important points covered in the document on photosynthesis. And also you can create questions. So you can create multiple choice, true, false, matching, fill in the blanks, short answer, coding, and long form. Let's try to create some multiple choice and click generate questions. Wow, a personalized quiz is prepared. You can see here 10 questions has been generated so far. This is mind-blowing and excellent feature. So after study guide and quiz, you can also generate a video. So click on continue. AI is generating a lecture video for you. Video has been generated. You can click watch video.
Welcome to our podcast on photosynthesis, brought to you by the Germana Academic Center for Excellence.
So the complete lecture is here, approximately 5 minutes based on PDF. But this podcast is like easy to understand and very helpful for preparing examination. Similarly, you can complete an assignment as a student or as a teacher here. Similarly, it will explain a concept, make study questions, and so on. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.